So this is my air filter, the second one after 10,000 kilometer, and I've cleaned it with pressurized air at 5,000. I think this could easily go another 10,000, but whatever. It's a cheap part, let's swap it. This is the VOGE, the color is a bit different. Yeah, it's the same. And surprise, surprise, it's not completely clean. It is isopropyl alcohol and earbuds, and if I'm already here, I'm going to check the injectors. But first I will cover these inlet holes with Durex. Okay, so the Durex broke. It's better here than in a real situation. So I used kitchen foil and I took out the injectors and they seem to be in mint condition. Next, spark plug replacement. Okay, so here we are doing the 20,000 kilometer maintenance. I've removed the rear wheel. The rear wheel is alright. The rubber thingies in the cush hub are in good condition. They need to be sprayed with silicone when putting back. The bearings are okay, but one side I was not so sure, so maybe the next time I take off the wheel in 10,000 kilometers, so at 30,000 I might change the bearings. The sprockets are in good condition. I don't see anywhere. I'm not riding hard, so but still this cush hub, these rubber inserts are a fantastic thing, because the chain is also lasting. The 20,000 I will have to tighten it a little bit now when I put the wheel back, but nothing major. So they are rusting a bit in the winter, but they are strong. Front sprockets, I don't see any major wear. Do you? If you see, let me know in the comments below. I think these are fine. These are symmetrical, almost symmetrical still. It's hard to see. I might clean it a little bit more. There is a lot of gunk there. The gunk I already cleaned from there. It's here. It's a lot. So yeah, but I cleaned it 10,000 kilometers ago or something like that. And this part, this rubber part, is a little, it looks like it's melting there near the engine. But in order to remove it, you need to remove this bolt. If you remove that bolt, I don't know, maybe the bike will collapse. So you need to use an engine lifter or put back one of these bolts, which, yeah, if you put, because this can stay in place. Yeah, one of these need to be put back, so you can remove that, and then maybe it won't collapse. Yeah, I don't know. Chain guard is in good condition, or chain guide, sorry, chain guide. It's in good condition at 20,000. So for me, no need to replace. And now I'm going to check the bearings if they have any grease by factory. VOGE was, or Longchin was not very generous at the steering stem, and they used just some cheap grease and a little bit of that. Unfortunately, this sleeve has some obvious rust on it. So water is getting in behind the aluminum plate, and inside the swing arm where the axle is, so in that shaft. So that's not good. On the photo here, below the letter T, you see that hole. There are 3 such holes. I think the water is getting in through there. So when I reassembled it, I pegged this bit with grease, but in a very heavy rain or a long heavy rain ride, this will not help. So this needs to be taken apart depending on the weather conditions every 10-20,000 kilometers. But at least the inner sleeve is looking good. It's not damaged or anything. And this is the other side. This is fine. It seems like it's a little wet. So I just removed this extra bolt from the bottom of the rear shock, and this is how it came out. It's dry, but it's totally good. This is the beauty of this kind of suspension compared to the ProLink, which has this triangle and the 3 axles in the bottom. This is protected from the weather. And also inside, that sleeve is new. But I'm going to put some grease on it. Now let's talk about oil plugs. So I'm at 20,000 kilometers and I change my oil every 5,000 kilometers. Don't know if this camera is focusing. So this inner oil plug is made out of butter. So this was my 4th or 5th oil change, I'm not sure. This is a hex head, yeah, and hex 5 I think. So it was totally gone. And the usual way is to use a Torx bit, but I couldn't even get it out with a Torx bit, so I had to drill a hole in it and use these very simple, cheap thread remover, rescuer, stock thread remover. So this is basically a righty, so the opposite turn. So when you are turning this in, it's turning this out, and it works fine. This cost like €2 on AliExpress. It was quite difficult to get this in a car shop, but I managed to get it in, and the other one in a car shop while I was waiting for these ones from AliExpress, and these are specifically for BMW, and I just measured it. My scale is not very precise, but this is a bit heavier, 1 or 2 grams heavier. This doesn't necessarily mean it's a better quality material, but it should mean it. So I hope this is stronger.